This is Doctor Strange. This is Pumbaa. Another method we discussed today for sounding less like we are reading or more like we are engaging in a breezy interaction with the audience is to harness the power of eye contact. The content and imagery we describe in voice performances aren't meant to be monologues. So we have listeners. They are directed at our listeners. Hence, our gaze should be directed towards our audience, or we should imagine a target for our speech, like a cup, a book, or a toy. So pretending to speak to them. And also creates an exclusive conversation between you and me vibe. For example, so I'm going to use my toys to be the talking object. This is Doctor Strange, and also we have Pumbaa. Right, so I'm going to look at them to do my script. So, hello everyone. So thank you all for attending today's oven cooking class. So this is going to be a very exciting lesson. So we'll be connecting to our cooking laboratory and conducting an online demonstration. So please welcome Chef Tom. So Chef Tom will be showcasing several of our company's latest ovens and their different features in cooking at the first kitchen of a culinary service center. We believe that everyone will gain a lot of knowledge today. Thank you very much. So why not you give it a try? For more tips on voice acting, please subscribe and like and share. You can leave your comments below and share your practice experiences. My ebook, The Standout Voice Performance, Step-by-Step Mastering Voice Artistry in the AI Era, is now available for purchase. It's a comprehensive guide designed to elevate your voice acting performance and help you stand out in an ever-competitive world. You can find out more details through the link below the video.